Hello everybody. So, happy late National Ceiling Fan Day. It's the 20th, not the 18th, but we are at Lamps Plus right now. So let's head inside. So yeah, we actually have very cool ceiling fans. I'm trying to kind of lower my voice
Your address.
a little because I'm inside. I don't want to disturb and hear any shockwaves. These fans are so cool. I love them. I wish I could have one of these. This one spins super fast. Wow. These fans are cool. I wish I could have one. Check out these amazing ceiling fans. This one, believe it or not, isn't actually going that fast. These are all modern fans. This one actually blows a good amount of air. Maybe because of the large blade span. Ooh, I like this one. I don't know why so many people say that these modern fans are trashy. I don't think so. Well, this is just another opinion. Wow, this one blows a good amount of air. This one wobbles a tiny bit. Don't know if you can tell on camera, and in real life it wobbles just a tiny bit.
Slight wobble.
This one's also got a slight wobble. And this one shakes. This one looks small. This one looks cool. I can actually get a lot in frame here. Wow. This one may actually be a bit better for my bedroom because it's a hugger fan and it's also smaller. It's like, I think 42 inch. Dang, it's actually 44 inches. What the? I don't think I should buy that. Yep, this one's got wood blades. That one's also got wood blades. That one's got plastic blades. That one's got wood blades. Which one? That one that I'm filming? Oh yeah. Hi. Okay guys. Let's head this way. I think I showed those. Ooh, look at you, expensive. I bet this one's very expensive. Oh, $6.69. Oh, this one looks like it would be very expensive. Actually, it is very expensive. A lot of fans running. This one blows a ton of air. Right this way. We got some display fans. We're focused on fans, sir. Ooh, that is a fan-related thing. this one in reverse?
It's a lot of casa.
A lot of what? A lot of whatsy whats?
Random fans, casa.
These are like the last one. There's a total of 89 fans. This one doesn't spin that fast. Is that typical for a modern fan? They don't exactly go fast. Where's that one swaying?
Airflow. Look at how close these blades are getting to its downride.
What? Yeah, that's gotta be dangerous. Okay. I'm gonna give myself a little mission here. I'm gonna try and find the fastest and the slowest fans in under a minute. Let's go. Actually, I'm gonna give myself 2 minutes. I'm actually gonna give myself 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm starting from over here. There are already a few pretty slow ones. Okay. I'm not counting the ones that are off. Because they're off. This one's actually spinning pretty slow. Probably not that one or that one. Oh wait, why is that one off? Okay, this one's definitely the fastest. It blows a stream of air down.
Here, that's winter.
Okay, now this one's spinning, I think, because I think they turned on more fans or something.
For the Maverick. The Maverick is
Okay, coming in on my minute. Still have not found the slowest, but I do know the fastest one. Oh God. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. I feel like the slowest one is that one. Yeah. So this is what I got for the slowest, and this is what I got for the fastest. So I looked at all the fans here, and I was right. This was the slowest fan, because I couldn't find any slower. I checked extra well. This is definitely the fastest. Ooh. I'm telling ya, this one isn't very fast. Despite if it has a lot of blades, it looks like it's spinning faster. Okay, guys, this one is has a vintage look, and then this one's also got a vintage look. So let's actually check out some lights. This one's got a cool double pull chain. This one has one of these guys.
Don't walk.
This one's also got the same double pull chain. That one's only got one pull chain.
And it's super wobbly.
I have no idea
It's not touching.
which ones.
Let's look at the floor lamps.
Not 4 lamps.
The stand lamps.
This one's also got the thingies.
It's kind of like the one we have at home. Too much.
I like the ones with the double pole. And this one just got one. This one's hard to reach, so I'm not gonna do that one.
Let's go to the other side.
Way too much on lamps. I just wanted to do this for some fun, but my objective is to make it completely fans. I can't reach that one. Nice. If I go over from there. I love pulling the pull trans on these. There's always one I can't reach. It is. These ones are the expensive ones.
This way.
My goal is to make. I want this video to be mostly fans. Clicking likes is fun, actually. On focus.
Do you know how to focus it? How you just tap? No, it's too
Did I do this one? I think I did. Haven't done this one.
slow down.
Oh yeah, here are the
Double click.
fans.
Do you want to burn out any lights or break any chains? Also,
Oh! Thanks for pointing me.
okay, you did this.
Did I do this one?
You didn't do that one. It's good and slow. It's good. This way.
Okay. Oh, I never did this one, the wooden one.
Oh, that's cool. Oh man, now I want this.
Dang, can we please just get back to the fans now? Oh wait, have I ever done this one? Did I do this one?
You did.
How do you know?
Because it was the first one with the stained glass that you did. There's some back here you did.
Okay. We haven't done this exact one.
It's got an odd, very narrow base, but very heavy. Wow.
I didn't want this video to just be on lights. It's a National Ceiling Fan Day video, not a National Light Day video. Well, I'm kind of late. I missed September 18th.
So because
of
money
the
furloughs, they're all price protected. So if we even discount it, they will pull up on it. Yeah, so anytime you see something that you are being protected, we can adjust the price. Now, if they put it on sale, you have 60 days for the price adjustment, because they do have a random sales. So,
Of course, I can't read that one. I feel like I'm close. I love these showrooms. I love these ceiling fan showrooms. That light is extremely dim. One's a little wobbly. This is just, didn't mean to be so close up. This is cool. These are controls for the fans. Dee dee dee. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be doing a display walkthrough, starting from number 89 actually. And I'm gonna go all the way to number 1, wherever it is. And yeah, I'm gonna stop talking. Enjoy the walkthrough. I had a great time here. I really love these fans. They're so cool. So, yeah. Bye. Bye.